Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your withdrawal limit on the Kraken wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in kraken.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Kraken website, from which you will find the sign in button at the top right corner if you haven't logged into your account already. So go ahead and click on sign in and proceed with your credentials, or click on my account to directly log in. Now after you are logged into your account, you will be taken into the home page. From the home page, you will directly be able to trade your desired crypto within the crypto market. Now from this page, click on your account icon at the top right corner and then click on account. This will then take you into your account settings page. From this page, if you wish to increase your withdrawal limit, scroll down and you will find the verification option. Click on Get Verified in order to get your verification to increase your withdrawal limit. Now, this is the process that you need to follow if you wish to increase your limit on the Kraken wallet application. So go ahead and fill up the form to verify your identity. Enter your first name and your last name followed by your date of birth. Then type in your address followed by your city and postal code. Finally, enter your country and your phone number and click on the continue button. After you click on continue, you will be asked to enter further private information and provide any valid government issued ID. After you provide the documents for verification, your account verification process will start and you will get notified when your verification is complete. Just wait until you receive the notification, and once your account has been verified, your withdrawal limit will also be increased. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on increasing your withdrawal limit on the Kraken wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.